Almost 80–90% of car owners have paid for a repair they never actually needed. AAA published a study showing American drivers lose over $20 billion every single year to dishonest auto repair shops. $20 billion. And most people have no idea it's happening to them. One scam on this list is responsible for a $3,000 charge that mechanics will swear is unavoidable, but it absolutely is not. Here are the 15 biggest auto repair scams every driver needs to know. Let's begin now with scam number 15. Scam number 15, the unnecessary air filter swap. You bring your car in for a simple oil change and the mechanic comes back holding a dirty air filter. He says it's clogged, it's dangerous, and it needs to be replaced right now. He quotes you $50 to $80 for the part and labor. You're already there, so you say yes. Here's what they don't tell you. Engine air filters are one of the easiest things you can replace yourself, and the part at any auto parts store costs between $10 and $20. Beyond the price, many shops will pull out a filter that looks dirty from normal use and wave it in your face like the engine is about to catch fire. The truth is, on most modern vehicles, air filters need replacing every 15,000 to 30,000 miles depending on driving conditions. All you have to do is check your owner's manual. Here's the kicker. Replacing it yourself takes about 3 minutes and 0 tools on most cars. You pop open a plastic box, pull the old one out, drop the new one in. That's it. Next time a mechanic shows you a filter, just smile and say you'll handle it yourself. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Scam number 14, fuel system cleaning services. The mechanic tells you your fuel system is dirty and you need a full cleaning service for $150 to $300. They make it sound like your engine is running on sludge. Here's how it actually works. Modern gasoline sold at major stations already contains detergent additives that keep your fuel injectors clean during normal driving. The EPA has required detergent additives in all gasoline sold in the United States since 1995. So for most drivers, this service is solving a problem that doesn't exist. If you genuinely have a dirty fuel system, which can happen with older vehicles or if you've been using low-quality gas, a $10 bottle of Techron fuel system cleaner poured into your tank does essentially the same job. Here's the kicker. Even BMW and Toyota's own maintenance schedules don't list fuel system cleaning as a required service for modern vehicles. If a shop is pushing this hard, that's a red flag. Wait until you hear about this next one. Scam number 13. Lifetime transmission fluid that never needs changing. Your mechanic, or even your car's own owner's manual, might have told you the transmission fluid is a lifetime fill and never needs to be replaced. Some dealers will repeat this word for word. But here's what they don't tell you. Transmission fluid breaks down over time. Heat, friction, and pressure wear down the fluid's ability to protect and cool the transmission. Most independent transmission specialists recommend changing the fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, regardless of what the label says. A transmission flush at a shop costs $100 to $200. A full transmission replacement? That'll run you $2,500 to $5,000. Here's the kicker. Lifetime on that label means the lifetime of the fluid itself, not the lifetime of your car. Don't skip this maintenance because a sticker told you it was fine. You'd be very surprised by this next one. Scam number 12, the coolant flush you didn't need yet. During a routine visit, you're told your coolant is dangerously low or degraded and needs an immediate flush for $100 to $150. Here's the deal. Coolant flushes are a real service, but the timing is what shops manipulate. Most vehicles only need a coolant flush every 50,000 to 100,000 miles or every 5 years, whichever comes first. Before you agree to anything, buy a $5 coolant test strip from any auto parts store. You dip it in the coolant reservoir, and it tells you exactly whether the fluid is still good. That one little strip could save you $120 every time a shop tries to rush you into an early flush. But if that one surprised you, wait until you hear what's happening every single time you get an oil change. Scam number 11. Synthetic oil upsells you don't always need. The shop starts your oil change and then calls to say your car really needs full synthetic oil, which bumps your bill from $40 to $90. Here's what they don't tell you. Whether your car needs conventional, synthetic blend, or full synthetic oil is already decided by your car manufacturer, and it's printed right in your owner's manual. If your manual says 5W30 conventional, putting full synthetic in won't hurt your engine, but you're paying for an upgrade you don't need. If your manual says synthetic is required, like it does on most turbocharged engines and brands like Audi or Mercedes, then yes, you need it. The scam is the shop making this sound like their expert recommendation when it's really just a sales pitch. Check your manual first, mid-roll engagement. If you've made it this far, we really appreciate you hitting that like button. It helps us make more car tips videos just like this one. Scam number 10, the brake fluid moisture test theater. A mechanic dips a test strip into your brake fluid and shows you it's turned color, telling you the moisture content is dangerously high and you need a $100 flush right away. Here's the problem. Those test strips are notoriously inaccurate, and some shops use cheap strips that turn color with almost any fluid just to create urgency. Brake fluid does absorb moisture over time, that part is true, but the actual recommendation from most manufacturers is to flush it every 2 to 3 years or 45,000 miles. If your car is under 2 years old and you're being told your brake fluid is already compromised, that's a serious red flag. A second opinion from another shop costs you nothing. Now, here's a scam that's easy to spot once you know what to look for. Scam number 9, unnecessary belt replacements. You go in for one thing, and somehow you walk out having paid $200 to $400 to replace a belt the mechanic noticed while he was in there. Serpentine belts and timing belts are real maintenance items, but here's the kicker. Most serpentine belts last 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Timing belts typically run 60,000 to 105,000 miles depending on your make and model. Honda is well known for specifying exactly when the timing belt needs replacement. If you're at 40,000 miles and a shop says your belt looks worn, ask them to show you the cracking or fraying, and look yourself. A belt that genuinely needs replacing will have visible chunks missing, heavy glazing, or deep cracks. Slight surface marks are completely normal. Don't pay $350 because someone pointed at normal wear. Scam number 8, the phantom wheel alignment charge. Shops will often push a wheel alignment every time you buy new tires, framing it as mandatory. They charge $75 to $150. Here's what they don't tell you. Alignments are genuinely needed after hitting a major pothole, after suspension work, or if you notice your car pulling to one side. But new tires alone don't knock your alignment out of spec. Before agreeing, ask them to show you the before and after alignment printout. Every modern alignment machine produces one. If they can't or won't show you a printout proving your car was out of spec, you just saved $100. Scam number 7, overpriced cabin air filter replacement. This one is almost identical to the engine air filter scam, except shops charge even more, sometimes $60 to $100, because most drivers don't even know the cabin filter exists. The cabin air filter cleans the air coming through your vents inside the car. It's a real part that does need replacing every 15,000 to 25,000 miles. But here's the deal. On most vehicles, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, the cabin filter sits right behind your glove box. You open the glove box, pop out 2 pins, and the filter slides right out. Replacement filters cost $10 to $20 at any auto parts store. A quick search on YouTube for your exact make and model will show you how in under 4 minutes. Scam number 6, engine flushes sold alongside oil changes. The shop recommends an engine flush before your oil change for an extra $30 to $80. They describe sludge building up inside your engine like it's a clogged drain. Here's how it actually works. Engine flushes use chemical solvents that circulate through your engine for about 10 minutes before draining. The problem is that on high-mileage engines, those solvents can dislodge buildup that's been quietly sealing small leaks, and those leaks can suddenly become real problems after the flush. On a newer, well-maintained engine, you don't have sludge to flush in the first place. Regular oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, with quality oil prevents sludge from forming. Skip the flush. Scam number 5, the power steering fluid flush. A shop tells you your power steering fluid is dark and dirty and needs a $100 flush. Here's what they don't tell you. Power steering fluid doesn't break down the same way engine oil does, and most manufacturers don't even list it as a scheduled maintenance item. Many modern cars have dropped traditional power steering fluid entirely by switching to electric power steering. If your car was made after 2012, there's a good chance you don't have hydraulic power steering fluid to flush at all. Check your owner's manual before agreeing to this service. If it's not listed in your maintenance schedule, your answer is no. But wait, if that one surprised you, you're going to want to hear about scam number 4. Scam number 4, overcharging for diagnostic fees. Your check engine light comes on, you take the car in, and the shop charges you $100 to $150 just to read the diagnostic code before any actual repair work. Here's the kicker. That same code can be read for free. AutoZone, O'Reilly Auto Parts, Advance Auto Parts. Most major chain auto parts stores will plug in an OBD2 scanner and read your error codes at no charge in about 2 minutes. For $20 to $30, you can buy your own Bluetooth OBD2 scanner that pairs with a free phone app and does the same thing from your driveway. Now, a shop charging a diagnostic fee isn't always a scam. Real diagnosis involves more than just reading a code. But if they're charging $150 just to read a code number without any further investigation, you paid for something you could have gotten free down the street. Scam number 3. Tire rotation add-ons you may have already paid for. You go in for an oil change, and the shop quietly adds a tire rotation to your bill for $25 to $50. Tire rotations are real and necessary. Front tires wear faster on front-wheel drive cars, and rotating them extends tire life. But here's the thing. Many shops that offer discount oil change packages add tire rotations to recover the margin. According to Consumer Reports, tire rotation is often included free with new tire purchases at major retailers like Costco, Discount Tire, or Firestone. Check if you already have a free rotation plan before paying separately for one. Scam number 2. Replacing leaking shocks and struts too early. A mechanic puts your car on a lift and tells you your shocks or struts are leaking and need to be replaced immediately, quoting you $600 to $1,200. Here's what they don't tell you. A very slight film of oil on a shock absorber is normal. It's part of how the internal seal keeps the shock lubricated. A genuinely failing shock will show heavy oil coating, active dripping, or you'll feel it as a bouncy, unstable ride. Your car keeps bouncing after hitting a bump instead of settling. A quick bounce test tells you more than a mechanic's visual scan. Push down hard on each corner of your car and let go. If it bounces more than once or twice, that corner may have a real problem. If it settles immediately, your shocks are doing their job just fine. And that brings us to scam number 1, the most expensive one on this entire list. Scam number 1, the fraudulent transmission replacement. You bring your car in for a shifting problem, a hesitation or a strange noise, and the shop tells you the transmission is completely gone and needs a full replacement. The quote comes back at $3,000 to $6,000. Here's the deal. Transmission problems are terrifying to hear about because they're so expensive. And some shops know that and use it. Many transmission symptoms like rough shifting, hesitation, and slipping are actually caused by low or degraded transmission fluid, a dirty filter, or a faulty solenoid that costs $150 to $300 to fix. Before you agree to any transmission job over $500, get a second opinion from a dedicated transmission shop, not a general repair chain. According to the Automatic Transmission Rebuilders Association, transmission specialists regularly find that a fluid change or a single part replacement solves problems that a general mechanic quoted as a full rebuild. Always get a second opinion before spending thousands on a transmission. Always. Outro. So there you have it. 15 auto repair scams that are costing drivers like you and me billions of dollars every year. Now you know exactly what to watch for, what questions to ask, and when to walk away. Here's my question for you. Which one of these has already happened to you? Drop the number in the comments. I want to see which scams hit closest to home. And if you want more videos like this, car tips, money-saving tricks, and things your mechanic hopes you never find out, hit that subscribe button right now. We have a lot more coming, and you don't want to miss what's next.